Why my laptop screen is blurry? Yes, you are listening right. As you can check out, I am doing just a thing and it's not blurry. You can see from every side and I'm doing a thing and it's just blurry. By mistake, many time it happens with that we press any key into our laptop or any kid do so, and after that you start feeling like that your laptop is out of order, your laptop screen is damaged, or you feel that your laptop is just gone. We can't do nothing, but that's not the scenario. It has many laptop has a feature. If your screen is permanently not damaged, then it can be solved in just few seconds. But how you can do? First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. Now what we have to do, as you can check out, it's blurred right now and I'm pressing a button and it's not blurred because it is a feature in your laptop. How you have to enable or disable, I'm gonna let you know. Think you are working on your laptop and you have a personal data and you don't want to that any sidewise any people is sitting over there, and you don't want that they should see your screen. Then you press this blur screen option. That means side screen is blurred and from front side you can see, but it's decrease the visibility, but we can work on our work. So what is this feature? As you can check out, this is the our keyboard layout, and from there you have to find out this key. As you can check out, this is a blur screen indicator. What we have to do, we have to press this button, but if it's not working on yours, then you have to press and hold this Fn key, and along with that you have to press this key. You can find this key anywhere into your keyboard. You have to find it out like this one. This is in a display extender. We can extend the display. Now how you can use this one, I am pressing this